and I'm having to file, but I'll get in there with some high grit paper and take care of that. But the point being is we're ready for paint. It's been a while. It's taking forever. Welcome back to the workbench where we try to make things, or continuing to try to make. Today is Revell's Ford FD-100 pickup, the Foose design kit they put out a while back. If you'd like to get caught up on this build, by the way, because we're doing it quite a bit different, there's a link down in the description to a playlist where you can get completely caught up to where we are right now. And where we are right now, well, you've probably seen the title and the thumbnail. And don't go away. Don't go away. There's an update here. Don't go away. I know it's supposed to be painted. I said there'd be paint on this. Just sit down in the back. Sit down. Sit down. Just stick around just a second. I got an update. Okay, so it is absolutely ready to paint. And when I say that, I mean the chassis section, or the chassis unit, is ready to paint. Completely ready to paint. I've actually 2000 gridded this, or 1500 gridded. I can't remember. I went with a high grit on this to get a nice finish on the primer. I just finished it just a little bit ago, and it's and I've cleaned it and washed it. And it's actually just now dried. So when I turn this camera off, this camera and this camera off, it's getting painted. Okay, how many promises can I make, right? But it's going to be getting painted. There's a lot. I just want to let you know there's a lot going on here at the workshop, personally and professionally. I can't really talk about them. So you just have to believe me on this. Now, I will talk about them in the future when I can, but there's a lot going on behind the scenes. So I just want you to understand why we're only at this point so far, why there's not paint on this. And in fact, I'm going to paint this today, but you're not going to see it till Wednesday, because tomorrow I get to chaperone a field trip. And when I say I get to, I'm excited. I'm happy to go chaperone a field trip, a first grade field trip, which is going to be a lot of fun. Yeah, I got, my daughter's going on a field trip tomorrow. If you're not following completely, but which I'm excited to do. So I won't be around to film tomorrow. I don't think I'll be able to do it this evening, because there's also personal things going on here at the shop, and professional things going on here at the shop that I've got to work on probably this evening. So you probably won't get to see this painted until Wednesday, is the long story short. But I do want to let you know that it is completely ready for paint. I went in and put make sure you guys can see all this. I went in and put in the little pieces I've been talking about forever to make it look like actual hinges here on the tailgate. I finished Frenching in the light, so I've shaved this all down to where the lens fits in there perfectly now. I do still need to shave down the lens itself, but that can be done at any time. I did finish cleaning up, so I had to kind of clean up some more in this area, and in this area where there's a seam that used to run through there, right? I was trying to fill out that seam, so I think I've pretty well got that taken care of. The tailgate taken care of. The chassis, I'm kind of going with, it kind of is what it is. I did try to clean out the chassis a little bit in these areas to make the rails, but I kind of don't mind a little bit of, I don't know the right word, like gunk or whatever. Basically, under here, you would have welds and you would have seam sealers and you'd have stuff like that. So I don't mind a little bit of the glue showing down here, even though we're going to paint it body color. I think it'll look okay. I need to clean this up just a little bit yet, so I need to do a little bit of sanding there. But for the most part, it's ready to paint. I'll go over it one more time just to make sure everything where it needs to be right there needs to be. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? This needs a clean up. This needs a clean up. This is how I do it. That needs a clean up. And basically, when I say that, just a little bit of sanding. I noticed that this needs a little bit more, and it's basically just sanding the primer. The filler primer is all I need to do. I just didn't get it quite where I want it to go, because I've been wet sanding all this, and sometimes I can make it a little bit difficult, like right here. And basically what these marks you see here are, you have to get in here, I usually have to use a file when I was doing the filler, because there's filler all in here. And I was having to use a file, but I'll get in there with some high grit paper and take care of that. But the point being is we're ready for paint. It's been a while. It's taking forever. I don't want to keep you guys too long. I'm going to keep this one short, because I know it's been a lot of videos and just small increments, because everything takes so much time. But I think starting Wednesday, you're gonna see big increments. By the way, I did start filling the filler cap here. I need to, whoops, I should probably put it in frame. I started filling the filler cap here, so that's almost done. I need to build out, all I need to do here is build out a little bit of firewall and inner fenders on that side. And the cab's about ready to paint too. So it won't be that long on the cab after this is taken care of. It won't be too long here. Motor goes in. I mean, we're basically there. So we're getting close. We're getting close. I can see the light at the tunnel. I hope you guys can too. Again, I'm going to keep this one very short, way shorter than I usually do. So thank you for joining me. If this is something you want to keep up with, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button, do all that stuff. We are there. We are finally ready to get some color on this thing. So hit the like button if you're excited. Leave me those comments down below. Let me know what you think. I do like to hear what you have to say. And then, I don't know, ring the bell. I don't do all those things everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I've got to get this thing painted, and I will see you guys Wednesday. Bye-bye.